We're back and we are gonna make some, what do you call these?
Tombstone cupcakes?
Tombstone cupcakes. They're cool looking and even more tastier to eat. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. So we've been joined by Kitchen Kid Nick and Kitchen Kid Michael, and we're gonna just get into it. We first get some cupcakes. You can if you want the shortcut, you can just buy store-bought cupcakes. We bake these. We want to make sure that and you can see what we have to do is frost them. Now you can see how Nick is frosting them. You want to put a good amount of frosting on them because we're going to put the bones on. We want the cookie tombstone to stick in it, so you want to put a lot of good frosting in it. All right. So then we've got all of our cupcakes frosted. Then we need to put in RIP. So Michael's going to demonstrate with the RIP. You're going to use a gel or a frosting in a tube, and you have to do this a couple different times. You got to make sure you can do it small enough. Letters are together. If you mess one up, that's fine. Just eat it and then go to the next one. Buy a couple bags. Oh, by the way, we're using Milano cookies for these because they're in the shape of a tombstone. And what else did you say, Michael?
They're tasty.
They're tasty. Right? So any flavor you want, the flavors that you like. So while Michael puts some more RIPs on, Nick's going to show you how we're going to assemble the cupcake. So he breaks off the bottom to make it a little bit jagged, and then he shoves it in there. Right? We have bones. If you can't find candy bones, you can take an Oreo, the outside part, and you could crush it up and just sprinkle that all over. That looks really cool. And I know someone's gonna ask this. They're gonna go, what's a rip? And we're not talking like a tear in a piece of clothing. Rip is?
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Or pieces.
Or pieces, right. Maybe they got into an accident and they got broken up a little bit. But we won't talk about that. So anyway, that's it. That's it. Those are our Tombstone Rest in Peace cupcakes. A lot of fun. Was it fun? Mm-hmm. So what do we do now with those?
Eat.
Eat. Go out. Happy Halloween.